Sa kaugnay ng balita, pinapurihan ni Pangulong Aquino ang task force na nag-imbestiga sa pagsabog sa Serenda Condominium. Ayon sa Pangulo, resulta ito ng sama-samang pagsisikap ng team sa pangunguna ni DILG Secretary Mar Rojas. Si Elena Luna nag-uulat.
Tiwala ang palasyo na naging pulido ang isinagawang investigasyon sa nangyaring pagsabog sa Serendra Condominium.
We'd like to commend the members of the team for their very thorough work. Nakita po yung presentation nila kanina. They were very thorough, they were very precise, at talagang nakita naman po yung effort that was poured in and the cooperation among the members of the interagency investigative team. Kasama na po dyan ang Secretary of Interior and Local Government na talagang sinigurado po na matutukan at mailabas po at the soonest possible time without sacrificing the quality ng investigasyon.
Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Balte, alam na ni Pangulong Aquino ang report na ito bago umalis patungong Myanmar.
The President was updated last night. The President was satisfied with the results. Kung matatandaan niyo po, ang mahigpit na bilin ng Pangulo doon sa Interagency Task Force ay siguraduhin that the findings will stand the scrutiny of anyone and that your findings will be based on the evidence that was gathered on site.
Direktibaan niya ni Pangulong Aquino sa Interagency Task Force na ipagpatuloy ang masinsinang investigasyon.
Na-rule out na po that the explosion was caused by any device. Na-rule out na po yun at nandun na po sa stage na nasasabi na po ng mga investigador na this is attributable to a gas explosion, most likely LPG. So ang ano po ng Pangulo ay ituloy pa po natin nung quality nung trabaho natin doon sa investigation.
Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.